Ask Tom on Home Show.
Elizabeth from Colma, California has a question about some installation problems.
She got installation irritation is what she's got. Because she got new windows that came with this year's sloppy, ugly caulk job. And Elizabeth writes, shouldn't it look straight and sharp? I'm embarrassed to tell the installer, she says. They worked all day, and I know they tried their best, she says. But it looks like that window was done by a young apprentice rather than an experienced lead installer. It says the window's on the second floor, so it's too high for me to go up and recaulk it myself. I have to tell you, Tom, Elizabeth gets the most patient customer award ever.
No, they need to come and caulk it. It's not a big deal. It's caulking, for goodness sake.
Anyway, so she wants to know, what's your advice? How would you handle this?
I would say, hey, guys, come back and caulk it, right? Come on, give me that old 1-2. You know, I know you did a great job, but it really cosmetically looks terrible. Cut the old caulk out and put some new caulk in, and they'll do it. You know, a guy could have gone up, caulked it. The boss didn't look. He said, okay, we're done. He's floating up the truck. Off they go. Somebody missed it. And they thought maybe it would just go away. Sometimes when you're tired, you think, I'll just go home, it'll go away. And it didn't. It's still there. It's like when I go to hotels and I see that caulk job around the tubs in the Ritz-Carltons, I'm going, who the heck left this caulk like this? I mean, that's because I'm a weirdo and I got ADD or OCD or whatever I might have. But they just need to come and fix it. And there's no reason for you to get on a ladder and do it. And I will almost reassure you that they will do it willingly, and it'll probably look fantastic because you're going to call them on it nicely with a smile on your face and just say, come on, guys, let's get this thing looking right.
Is it a
simple?
Is it a functional concern, though? I mean, even if it's ugly, if it's on there, isn't it going to just do the job? I mean, it's a matter of cosmetics, really, is what we're talking about here, isn't it?
Yeah, and I'm not going to answer that because it doesn't matter. It's ugly. It needs to be fixed. Okay, but yes, if it's keeping water out of a hole, it's keeping water out of a hole.
The point I'm making,
you can get that stuff that they put on the infomercials and put that tar all over it. It'll work. But you don't want to look at it.
No, the point I'm not saying it should it shouldn't be pretty and it shouldn't be attractive. I'm saying from a concern point of view, if you're worried that the window's not going to perform. With the ugly caulk, the caulk's on there, so it's performing. It just doesn't do it.
I get it off. It's ugly. Ugly is not good. Things should look pretty. Things should be detailed. God is in the details.
Somehow here we are.
Yes. Well, it's an easy answer and it's an easy fix. She said the worst thing on the whole question is, I am embarrassed to call them and tell them their job is ugly. No, call them and just tell them, you know, you got to fix this. It doesn't look right. And they will do it. He'll send his best caulker out there he has. Going to get on a ladder. The guy's going to whistle and get paid for a whole day. And caulk one window is the most perfect it's ever been.
His chief caulker. You think that's what it says on his business card? Chief caulker. I got a big tube. I'll be there on time.
Yeah, and then bring an extra tube.
Or two. Why not?
Fine.
Oh, yes. God. All right. Hey, you got a question or two? You can send them to us right there. Just click that big blue button, fill it out, send it in. We'll answer it in a video just like this. We'll post it at HomeShowRadio.com. You'll also find them posted on our YouTube channel, Home Show Radio YouTube channel. Just happy as all get out.